So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start Zoho Writer on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now guys, select the first website, log into your account right here. Now select profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now go with this settings icon and select this Zoho option. Scroll down a little bit and you can see this section of Zoho Writer. Now just select this button called continue. Now select this button called create your first template, and after coming on this page you guys will need to select this button right here called new template. Now choose your module from these bunch of options. Now give a name to your template, Robert, and now select your folders. You can choose from any folders, and you can also create a new folder, and you can also write your description about your new template, and after that you'll need to select this create button. So guys, after that you guys will come on this page like that, and you can do your work Zoho Writer around here. So that's how you guys can able to create your Zoho Writer on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.